Oops, feeling dead inside again. I get a little bit of free time and start going, what if I told myself woodworking? Girl, work on your resume. Are you okay? I'm literally a forest fire, and I am the fire, and I'm the forest, and I'm the witness watching it. The average human was not meant to have this much law. Me waking up every day to play Mental Illness Simulator Level 9 virtual reality. God. I keep saying it is what it is, but what even is it? Valentine's Day shopping for men is so hard. What do you all like besides other girls' pics?